Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market as usual in the second video. So our suggestion that we have talked about yesterday seems to be correct indeed. The previous bullish momentum that stands on the market triggered the upward action that we have discussed. But at the same time, it's not yet clear with the final destination point of this retracement. So actually on the daily market is working right now with the Brent body trade. So if you remember in the weekly report we said we will keep an eye on the 1320 area as the potential for the Brent body trade, because despite that we have here just 7 candles, 7 bars and not 8 as the Jet Napoli Brent body suggests. These candles are very strong and we could treat this overall thrust as suitable for the Brent body. So you can see market close below the 3x3, hits the first support of the thrust and turns to the upward action. So this is pure Brent body trade. But the tricky moment stands that the target of the Brent body already has been passed, since market has passed through the 618 resistance of the whole action to the downside, which is the minimal target of the Brent body. Overall, price behavior that we see lets us suggest that maybe we could get not the hand shoulders that we talked about, but it could be double top pattern or something of that sort. Besides, let's take a look here on the daily. You could recognize is forming the morning star pattern, and the morning star usually has the continuation in the shape of the A, B, C, D pattern on the intraday charts. That could be kind of the target stands approximately with the length of the bars of this pattern. So it means that upside perspective exists on the gold market, but at the same time we think that market will stop somewhere around the previous stops. It can't. We do not suggest that market will continue upward action above the top, above the current top, just because it stands overbought on the weekly and it needs reaction. It needs some moderate retracement. So this could be wash and rinse of this top. This could be double top pattern or something of that sort. But chances on the continuation of the existence bull trend right at this moment is not very significant. We would suggest more. It's probably could be some stop grabbing above the previous top and then starting of the major downward action. So that's scenario we see as more probable in the current circumstances. But currently market stands in this upward action and we could try to estimate the possible target. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we probably can't take into consideration the possible double head and shoulders pattern that we have discussed yesterday, just because the neckline is too skewed that we do not have any so-called right arm here. So it's, if you draw the neckline as we did yesterday, it will not be the hand shoulders. So in the current circumstances, it seems that more probably kind of the, I don't know, maybe double top will be formed or something of that sort. Or if hand shoulders will be formed and the top will be somewhere above this area, well, it will not be the pure hand shoulders, because you can see market hasn't tested the neckline after the left arm. So it will be some kind of the arm and then move to the head. So it's not good shape of the pattern. So, and it means that maybe market will form some different patterns. So currently market comes to important areas. So take a look. This is the unfilled gap that we talked about yesterday. And it's also minimum target of the Brent body has been tested and has been tested. It's already completed. So here we need to keep an eye on what will happen, because potentially, if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, what we have ABCD pattern. OP stands right here. It has been passed. Now we're coming to the XOP and reaching to the XOP at the 1340. Let's market to close the gap. It's already starting. This process is already starting. So it will be possible to close the gap, and market could form the bearish continuation pattern in the shape of the guardian steeple to sell as soon as market will hit the XOP. So putting it all together, that we suggest two moments. First of all, the downward action probably here could start either from this XOP target, or market could try to reach the 1347 top, grabbing the stop, showing the Washington rinse above the stop, and form probable double top action here on the follow time frame chart. These two possible areas where market could start the downward action. Second moment that we suggest is that market currently has not enough power to continue major bullish trend. So due to the overbought condition on the weekly chart. And this is the reason why we think that either from 1340 or maybe with the Washington rinse of the 1347, but after that major retracement should start. So market should turn to significant moderate retracement on the daily. So it could be, I don't know, maybe to the 13 area, or maybe we will have to use some greater levels for deeper retracement. But theoretically, it should be somewhere from this level. So market just should correct and abandon the uncomfortable condition on the weekly chart. So very often happens that market hits the daily oversold when it stands at the weekly overbought. So a weekly overbought push market lower to the daily oversold. If we take a look where it stands the daily oversold, it stands precisely at 1305 area, 13 even. So that corresponds to the idea of the 618 retracement. Let's keep this level currently as the first approximation of the possible pullback, and later we will see what's really will happen. But currently, guys, keep an eye on a possible reversal pattern. So if you would intend to trade it on the bearish side, I said that keep an eye on the two levels. This one, or if market will pass through it, this will be probable Washington rinse of this top. So if you would like to take the short position here, you could follow two things. First is split your position in two parts, trying to take the minor part of the position here, wait for Washington rinse. If this will happen, you could get more on this trade, or just wait for the Washington rinse of this level. If you taking the whole position right at this point brings you just more risk, because this is $7 per contract, guys. If the market will continue upward action here, it will be not really well a pleasant moment. So I think that's better either split or just wait for the Washington rinse of this top. So if you have the bullish view, do nothing, just wait when the major retracement will happen here on the gold market. So it's a lot of room ahead. So the bull trend just has started. So I think that we will have a lot of chance to take the long position at the better price levels than here. So that's our view on the gold market, and let's see what price action we will get today.